Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create business growth advertisement using custom shape symbols. First we open a vertical canvas for story ads. Now we place a neutral background to keep focus on content. Next we select growth related custom shapes like arrows and stairs. Here we stack shapes to show step-by-step business growth. Then we align shapes perfectly for professionalism. After that, we apply soft shadows to add dimensions. Now we introduce icons like target and profit shapes. Next, we blend shapes using clipping masks. Thanks for watching.